HMD Global has officially introduced the new Arc 2, an ultra-budget smartphone that focuses on reliability rather than innovation. Instead of a complete redesign, the company has refreshed its entry-level lineup with a newer processor while keeping the familiar formula of affordable hardware and practical everyday usability.
The Arc 2 continues targeting first-time smartphone buyers and users who simply need a dependable everyday device. Rather than chasing flagship features, HMD focuses on affordability, practicality, and essential functionality, making the Arc 2 a straightforward option for basic communication and daily mobile tasks. On the front, the Arc 2 features a 6.52-inch IPS display with HD+ resolution and a standard 60 Hz refresh rate. To keep the experience smooth on modest hardware, HMD ships the phone with Android 14 Go Edition, Google's lightweight operating system built specifically for entry-level smartphones.
The biggest improvement comes under the hood. HMD replaces the aging Unisoc SC9863A processor with the newer 12nm Unisoc T603 chipset. While it won't transform the phone into a gaming powerhouse, users should notice smoother multitasking, better responsiveness, and improved overall everyday performance.
The smartphone comes equipped with 4 GB of RAM, which is a solid match for Android Go Edition. Buyers can choose between 64 GB or 128 GB of internal storage. And for anyone needing extra space, HMD also includes support for expandable microSD cards. Powering the Arc 2 is a 5,000 mAh battery that should comfortably deliver 1 to 2 days of regular use. Charging is handled through a USB-C port with 10-watt wired charging. It isn't the fastest solution, but it's perfectly adequate for an affordable smartphone in this price range.
Photography remains simple with a 13-megapixel rear camera and a 5-megapixel selfie camera. While the Arc 2 isn't designed for professional photography, it's perfectly capable of handling documents, casual snapshots, and video calls, covering the basic needs of everyday smartphone users.
Unlike many modern flagship devices, the Arc 2 still keeps a traditional 3.5mm headphone jack. Combined with USB-C connectivity and expandable storage, HMD continues offering practical features that many budget-conscious buyers still appreciate and regularly use in everyday life.
The HMD Arc 2 launches in 2 color options, dark blue and gold beige. The smartphone will first become available in Thailand, where it carries an extremely affordable starting price of around $90, making it one of HMD's most accessible smartphones. The HMD Arc 2 isn't trying to compete with premium smartphones. Instead, it delivers dependable everyday performance, long battery life, expandable storage, Android Go optimization, and a refreshed processor at a very affordable price. For users seeking a simple and reliable smartphone, it checks all the essential boxes.